The Rakshan Project is a youth-led movement where we are reaching 40 lakh NSS volunteers और उनको child sexual abuse को prevent करने के लिए train कर रहे हैं और ये systemic intervention से हम hope करते हैं कि एक environment बनाएंगे जिसमें child sexual abuse is stopped, is prevented and is also stopped, and we want to create a new norm with compassion, accountability and empathy. And welcome to the Rakshan Festival. So every day evening, we are hosting a conversation with one of our Rakshans, with one of our champions of change. We have Manisha here with us today. So we can get to know them and understand their individual stories. So I'm Nivedita and I work here at Sakshi and I'm part of the team. It's great to have you here. Welcome to the Rakshan Festival.
How
are you?
Yeah, very fine. What about you?
I'm fine. How are your online classes?
Yeah, very well. Like it's all a very unique thing for us. Like from the starting, we are so addicted to the blackboard, but now it's like a change in our system. So enthusiastic to learn in that.
So we used to be addicted to the blackboard, and now it's become the laptop. Yeah. So before we start, would you like to introduce yourself? Anything that you would like to say first?
Yeah, sure. So I am Adhanki Manisha from Sarojini Naidu Vananta Mahavidyalaya, studying BCom Computer second year. So I am a NSS volunteer come a Rakshan intern. That's it.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for your introduction. So before we start, I would like to ask you, how did you join the Rakshan project, और उसके बारे में आपको कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? How did you first find out about this?
Yeah, before I used to I don't know what is Rakshan project and all, but in the March I got to know, I attended a webinar in March. So from that, Aditi ma'am has contacted us to join this internship and all. So literally it's a very great opportunity for me to learn many things, apart from education, from these many days, we are so addicted to learn only education, maths, physics, science, only that, we don't know what's happening in the particular world. So from this Rakshan project, I learned a lot, really.
All right. Yeah. And would you like to tell us what exactly you have learned? What have you been your takeaways from the Rakshan project?
Yeah, okay. From the starting, before I used to be so nervous to speak with someone. I used to speak with my family either or with my friends. With friends, a very little number. But now I am able to speak with some person with whom they got some depression or something like that. But when they come to me, I am able to speak with them. I'm able to, say something to them. But before I used to be so nervous. So I just want to share one situation. The day one when I joined the Rakshan project, Swarnim sir said me to introduce yourself. So literally I was so confused. Which group am I studying? In that stage I was. But now I am able to speak in front of these many people. Speaking in a live event is not at all a small thing for me, of course. So, but now I am feeling so, great that I am able to speak in front of these many people, and my family are so proud that at least
that's wonderful.
Yeah.
That I'm very happy, very glad that we've been able to make things more comfortable for you. So I would like to ask you, what is your inspiration? How did you become passionate about ये women empowerment या social change? इसके बारे में आप पहले passionate कैसे बने?
Yeah. So I just I am prepared a lot of situations to share with, so I got some time to share. Okay, so
yes, of course, this is your time.
Yeah. I'm so glad that I got an opportunity at least. So when I was in inter, we used to get newspapers, we used to read. So there we used to read nearly 10 to 15 cases daily in English paper. In English paper itself, we are getting those many cases when we go to regional levels like districts, villages. In that way, if we go, there will be hundreds of cases. We can't even imagine that number at least. So I got a thing in my mind, there is something we need to change in the world. At least not the world, at least my surroundings I need to change. So I was waiting these many years. So finally, I got this opportunity from Russian project. So I just grabbed that opportunity for the first. I like it's like jumping a baby jumping for a chocolate. Like that, I jumped on the first opportunity and I grabbed it. That's it.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for using your privilege and using your agency to create change. So when you spoke about creating change in the communities around you, आप ऐसे कोई conversations have you had इसके बारे में, and during those
Yeah.
conversations did you face any problems or did you face any obstacles?
Obstacles, it's like when we do something, obstacles, it's like a very simple thing that will come at any cost. So whenever I
Yes.
say about these things, everyone used to see like, what is she saying? Is she saying anything wrong? Like our community is in such a way, but at the starting I got many obstacles, rejections from many people. When I asked my friend's mom like to speak at least for 5 to 10 minutes, they said no,
Hmm.
no, you don't want to. But as I tried a lot, but my mom encouraged me, my family encouraged me. So our neighbors, everyone came. Then we started a discussion. From that way, I have started it. I gone through with my family, and I did this with my neighbors and friends and with everyone whom I know. Like every topic, when I got to know that, I used to share with everyone. That's it.
Yes, that's fantastic. And like you said, you had the support of your family, so you have been very lucky. But there have been many
Yeah.
people जिनके families उनको support नहीं करते हैं, and they do not have the support of their families. So उनको what do you have to say about that? And also how has this led to you considering all the people around you differently? Has this changed the way your perspectives on life or anything like that?
Yeah, like I am so lucky to have like this family, but most of the people are not like that. But what I feel is like children, we are doing something new. Like we don't even know what is happening with us. When we want to do
Yes.
something, our parents should encourage us so that if we do something wrong, we'll be getting to know what is happening. If something wrong happens, we get to know, "Arey, something, okay, we did this wrong. Next time we should not do this. We'll take care of that." But first itself, the family does not support us. We may not go to a next stage. So I wish every
Yes.
parent should support the child so that every child could become a safe, Rakshin in their home. Yeah,
Exactly.
that's it.
And like you said, your friends' parents were not willing to talk to you about this.
Yeah.
So, why do you think there is a stigma around sexual abuse or any of these topics that you have been discussing?
Like from the starting, we don't feel like there is no such a discussion happening. In whom what do we speak? Simple like any financial matter or any like filial matters like that. From the initial stage, if we go through all these things, then they might have removing that stigma from them. But as we don't have such a type of discussions, and from the starting, like we also like what we say, we are like confirmed to only to a particular topic. Acha, this is bad. So
Yes.
that is bad itself. We don't even think about that. Can we change that? No, we don't think of that. So because of
Yes.
that reason, once if we could think that okay, something it is bad, we need to change that. Then we get to know okay, it's not bad. Something we need to do that. So it becomes good for everyone.
All
Yeah,
right.
that's it.
Yes. And what you were saying earlier, कि school may we only learn maths or physics or we only learn our subjects at school. So do you think that introducing these topics at a younger age will help remove the stigma? What are your views on that?
Yes, of course, it helps. Like from the starting, we don't even know what's happening. We are like so particular only about our marks, our education system, our friends. That's it. But in future, something might happen to us. In that situation, we may not know how to react. Like a very simple situation, like at the age of 11 or 12, we do get matured. At that age, we don't know how to react for that. So from the before itself, we got to know, "Arey, wait, this will happen in our life. So we need to be so confident about ourselves. So this is not a bad thing. This is a just process of our life. This need to be happened." So if from the childhood, if they got to know all these things, they like if something happens to them, they don't get feared of that, or if they don't feel afraid of that. They can be so dead, and
Exactly.
they can help others who feel so feared of that. Like one
Yes.
can teach two or three like that.
Yeah, so talking about your each, you did the each teach two
Yeah.
project during your internship. So would you like to share your experience about that?
Yeah, it's like a very great experience for me. As I have introduced my mom to the Rakshan project, it started out as a very small thing for me. And of course, before we used to like, we don't know what to speak in home. Like we speak only some matter like education, film like that. But now I got to know how to speak to my mom about these situations, how to speak about all the situations going around in the world, or and also she learned a lot from me. That's a very great thing for
Yes.
me. Yeah, I learned my mom something new, and now she is able to speak to someone else. Like she is able to speak with
Yeah,
her neighbors or something like that. Yeah, that's
exactly.
it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so wonderful how information spreads from one person to another,
Yeah,
and how the Rakshan project has helped you with all of this. So,
really.
my last question to you is, we here at Sakshi especially believe that the youth have such a huge responsibility towards
Yes.
creating a preventive atmosphere. So, do you agree with this, and what do you think the youth can do further to help contribute to this cause?
So yes, of course, youth can do anything. Like youth is like a fire, is on fire. They can do anything. Like children, they don't know anything what to do. Like the elder people, they do know how to do, but they don't have time, or they don't have such a particular period to do. But youth has even time, and they do know what to do. So once if one person thinks that they want to do, that can spread at any cost. Like I am
Yes.
the person who joined the Rakshan project. From me, my friends got inspired to join the Rakshan project. So from the next batch, they will join that. So from this,
Yes.
every person will get inspired, and they do join the Rakshan project. Like not only Rakshan, like they get inspired from this. They do something to the society which is more helpful. So only youth can spread
Yes.
this to everyone. I feel that.
And yes, thank you. Thank you so much for saying that. I completely agree. And is there any message that you want to give to the Rakshans who are watching this? And also, yeah, please, you feel free to share any other parting thoughts that you may have.
Yeah. So message is like it's not a message. I just want to say one thing that once we got to know something, like I learned something, we should not stop here. That should be learned to some other person who doesn't know. Like from them, the
Exactly.
others should
Yes.
be learned. The same happened with the Rakshan project. I don't even know what is Rakshan before. But when I joined with Rakshan project, I learned something. But from me, my mother learned something, my sister learned something. So from them,
Yes.
everyone learning something. Like not only from me, this the whole surroundings is learning something. So the same way, when we spread with everyone, they will encourage someone else. So every home will become a home space to every child. This is the only one
Yes.
thing which can stop the child sexual abuse. I feel
All
that.
right. Yes. Yes.
That's it.
Again, I completely agree that that's such a great sentiment to have. And would you like to ask me any questions in return at the end of the conversation?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
One thing I want to
So
ask, please don't stop this Russian project. Please go on with this.
yeah, of course, of
I
course.
ask only one. One thing. I
We
don't
have
have any
no,
other queries.
yeah, we have no plans to stop it anytime soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much for coming here and sharing your experiences and sharing your story. And I'm sure everyone here who's watching this, उनको भी लगेगा कि जब मैं कुछ सीखता हूँ तो मैं सब लोग को भी बता सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
And I hope that's a sentiment that is shared with everyone over here. And thank you so much for joining us. It was an absolute pleasure to have you. Or just like you, we would like to create more actions जो child sexual abuse को prevent कर सकते हैं. And if any of you watching this are wondering what else you can do at home, there's a link in our bio that you can click to donate. And every rupee you donate will contribute to helping us make homes a safer place. And thank you again to everyone who joined us today. Please stay tuned because tomorrow we will have another live. where we will get to know another Rakshan and understand their story also. Thank you. Thank you for all the
this
work you've been
opportunity.
doing. Thank you for all the work you've been doing. And I'm sure we can help spread information and awareness if we all work together.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for this opportunity. Literally, this means a lot for me. Thank you.